In this generation, aesthetically pleasing food or aesthetically looking food are beginning to matter more than what good food actually tastes like. Let's talk about it. Hi Kessie fam, welcome back to Kessie's Cuisine. I am Kessie, and over here we make amazing food that you would absolutely love while having honest conversations around food, lifestyle, culture, and everyday life. So if that is your vibe, do not go anywhere.
Stir it, taste it, come and dine with me. Simple good food, that's the recipe. From my kitchen straight to you. Welcome to KessyCuisine.
We have reached a point in this generation where food is being judged by how aesthetically pleasing they look. A perfectly plated meal gets millions of likes, engagements, and views, while the dish that tastes actually incredible gets ignored because it is not Instagram worthy or aesthetically pleasing. But here's the question: when did looking good become more important than tasting good? Are we cooking for our taste buds or we are cooking for our camera? For me, my own opinion is that we are doing both. We are cooking for our taste buds, but a food that looks absolutely good is also as important as it tastes. I believe that cooking is a beautiful work of art, so plating a food is also as important as how the food tastes. Because to be very honest, you eat with your eyes before you even eat with your mouth.
Subscribe to my channel.
If I serve you a plate of soup and eba in a very beautiful way, not really, it doesn't have to be extravagant or any fancy design, just neatly placed and plated, you are going to find it more appealing than when it is served in a very dirty and trashy way. So let's be very honest, in as much as we are cooking for our taste buds, our eyes eat first before your mouth even tastes it. Visual representations of food are very important. Because at the end of the day, a beautiful plated meal cannot hide bland food. So what are you going to choose? Is it 10 over 10 on looks or 10 over 10 on flavor? Let me know in the comment section. I think this debate is long overdue.
Welcome to the kitchen. Pots on the fire, the flavor is rising. Fresh from the market, loving every bite. Cooking up magic, everything feels right. Everything feels right. Taste it, come and dine with me. Simple good food, that's the recipe. From my kitchen straight to you. Welcome to KessyCuisine. It's nice, not a games, but freezing and a busy recipe. Yummy! KessyCuisine, where we satisfy your food cravings.
So guys, that is the end of this video. Do well to subscribe, like, comment, click on the notification bell so you don't miss any single videos that we are going to be posting on this channel, because the next conversation is even going to be more interesting than this. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.
Bye bye.